Okay guys, finding content for your checklist apps or for your lead blaster apps. Here's the thing, with the RSS I'm going to show you here, which is now my preferred strategy. What we're actually doing here is we're getting the content to come to us instead of us having to go searching for it, which is a major time saver, believe me. I've been 72 hours in the trenches trying to find out the best ways to do stuff, and it's so easy to get diverted, okay, when you're doing research like that. You can go sideways and then go sideways again from already being sideways and going and just doing something completely different from what you started from. I'm sure you've all experienced that kind of thing online before, and before you know it you've got loads and loads and loads of tabs open that you don't want to close because you might need it a bit later, and you've got like 4 windows of 20 tabs and stuff like that. It can get a little bit exhausting, mentally exhausting, okay? But here's the thing, if we're using RSS, the content comes to us and it updates in real time as new content comes out, so we don't need to go searching for it, okay? So I'm going to show you a couple of options, okay? The first one I'm going to show you is this one here called FeedSpot. Now the beauty of FeedSpot is that it gives you lists of folders that you can pull in that are populated already with their recommended sources like websites, etc. Okay, so we've got affiliate marketing, it's got a bunch of websites in it. We've got dental marketing. If you're into local SEO, that could be good for you, okay? If you want to do something about checklist about dental marketing, I'm sure you could find something there. Email marketing, Facebook marketing, etc. Guerrilla marketing, if I just click on that, for example, okay, we'll pull in guerrilla marketing. You can see here that it's got some content from different blogs, okay, that's already pulled in that we can use. And what that will do is it will update in real time. Whenever one of those sources will post new content, I can go and just click on here and any new content is going to be showing here, okay? So I can see in real time anything that I want. You can like and star, etc, etc. This is quite comprehensive. You can go and do searches and in-depth searches. You can even go and do searches by a group of websites, not necessarily in the folder, but you can sort of choose like 5 or 10 websites to go and search for a particular phrase, like SEO checklist, and you can go and check like Search Engine Land or backlinko.com or Ahrefs blog or whatever it might be. You can have like 5 or 10 of them where you go and search for a particular term, so that you can go and, you know, be really specific if you want to do that, okay? But what I liked about this one is that it gives me this ready-made stuff, okay, all ready-made stuff. Now the second one I'm going to show you is Feedly. Okay, Feedly should be a little bit more exciting for you, and because I have what's called an OPML file for you, okay. If I click on marketing here, you can see in marketing there's 92 blogs. If I click on blogging, you can see there's 853 blogs, okay. And this is kind of good information. Now if you have a free account with Feedly, you can see that's what I've got here. You can click on your settings down here, looking at your sort of image icon down the bottom. You can see I've got a free account here, okay. And you can click on this section here that says organize sources, okay, and over here you can see import OPML file. Choose import OPML file. I will give you the file to pull in, okay. I'll give you the file to pull in, so you should have something that looks like this, like I've got here. Now this is good, this is free, okay. The other one, FeedSpot, I took a 7-day trial that's $19 a month, but this is free, okay. And the OPML file I gave you should give you something that looks like this, okay. It's already got these sources in there. What I do not like about it is that I cannot search. If I want to go and search, for example, if I want to go in here and search for SEO checklist, oh, just put the S for the SEO. It's going to pull back some results, and immediately it says like get power search and I want you to pay. Okay, it's not expensive. It's like you can pay $6 a month and you can pay with PayPal, so it's like $72 a year. It's not bad, but I decided to go with this one, at least for a 7-day trial anyway, so you get a free trial for 7 days, so that I could pull in according to everything they've got in here, all these different, I mean that's really broken down in far more detail than I've ever seen before. from any sort of feed readers. Okay, this is all different types of marketing in here: YouTube, Twitter, tourism marketing, text marketing, telemarketing, SEO, sales, neuromarketing, mobile app marketing. This is incredible stuff. This is really detailed, and I like that because that gives me a lot more flexibility when I'm looking for ideas and when I'm looking for angles for ideas as well. Because as I mentioned in the last video, we've got the evergreen topic. Say for example, evergreen topic for me is marketing or even affiliate marketing. Okay, and then we have the different elements of, say, affiliate marketing. So I've got things like SEO comes into affiliate marketing. I've got email list building so that we can have traffic that we can control, and then we've got things like how to 10x your affiliate marketing campaign revenues by doing some bits and pieces, which we will get into as we go deeper into the training for lead blaster stuff. Once we have a membership area up, I will start to reveal some really cool stuff, but not when it's kind of wide open, because we don't want it too widely shared, otherwise it dilutes what we're doing. And then I might have another section or another checklist I want to do, or another subtopic I want to do about affiliate marketing that's all about different affiliate marketing platforms that you can work from. Okay, so there's JVZoo, there's ClickBank, there's Commission Junction, etc. There's different places where you can go and find offers and promote. Some will pay you same day, some will pay you next week, some will pay you monthly, some you can't trust. Believe me, there is a couple that you can't trust. Others, you know, that you might not be aware of. So there's different angles that we can do within that main sort of evergreen topic of affiliate marketing. I've got many subtopics, and within each subtopic there's multiple angles that we can approach. Okay, so for example, if I want to do about how to 10x your revenue, then I can go into angles about doing private promotions, how to do them properly, how to get webinars from top affiliates and how to host webinars from top affiliates, or how to do private promos, email sequences, and all that kind of stuff. And everything in there would create one awesome piece of content for that one angle about, you know, private promotions. I could do a whole checklist of that. That would be worth a lot of money, believe me, worth a lot of money if somebody actually followed it. Okay, if they took it on board, just didn't suck it up like a sponge and think, oh yeah, right, good, and move on. If they actually used it, okay, with the email list that they're building, they would make money, and it would make a lot more money than promoting stuff on product launches. Okay, because let me tell you, if you're going to promote those stuff on the product launches, even I will not make a lot of money on those these days because the competition is too much. Do a private promotion and you can go and make thousands of dollars instead with the same effort, in fact even less effort. Sometimes I sat on a webinar, hosting a webinar for someone else. That person's doing talking for an hour and a half. At the end of it, I got like $10,000-$13,000, and I hadn't done anything except for send an email to get people on the webinar. That's the power of affiliate marketing. Okay, compare that to JVZoo launches or Warrior Plus launches. You got 100 plus affiliates all emailing the same person's inbox. Okay, you're going to make money from that. It's hard to make money from that. Okay, without giving away the farm to be able to entice people, to bribe people to buy from you, it's not the best way to do it, believe me. So that kind of thing we want to get in here. That kind of thing we want to put into checklist content so that we can give huge value. We can build that know, like, and trust, but we want to hold some stuff back to sell as well. Okay, so did you like this kind of content? Is this valuable to you? Can you see how this has increased my revenue? Did you see the case studies? And here's another case study. Would you like to get more? Why don't you join my monthly membership for $47 a month, and I cover this kind of stuff once a week, every week, and you pay $47 a month, something like that. That can get people coming in because these people are coming in cold. But once you start to warm them up and once they start to trust you, you can monetize. Okay, that kind of thing. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, so RSS feeds. Content comes to you instead of you searching for it. Okay, now contrast that with something that I thought was very, very good, which was the Pinterest search. The Pinterest search is awesome, but there's extra steps. I'll show you in the next video, but there's extra steps where you have to click on the image, and then from the image it will take you, you have to click again and it will take you into a website, and before you know it, you've got all these different tabs open, you're all over the place, and they've got nice sidebars and they've got other topics and other articles there. before you know it, you've got like tons of tabs open. You need to be careful with that. Okay, this to me is the best way. The RSS feeds is the best way to do this, so that the content comes to you and it updates in real time as well. If I come in here tomorrow and I click on the guerrilla marketing or the affiliate marketing, I'm going to find different content in here. Okay, I will see I've got different content every time. Okay, and you can even add more feeds into each one of these. So FeedSpot for me just edges Feedly. Okay, Feedly you can use for free. I've got the resources for you to look like this. I think it's going to look like this, and also it goes into a lot more different niches as well. So you can see like YouTube food channels. We've got in here military. We've got in here outdoors. We've got in here personal development. That's a huge niche, absolutely freaking huge niche. A lot of money to be made there. Let's see what else we've got. SEO, we've got all that kind of stuff. I'm pretty sure you can bundle these into one. I'm pretty sure you can bundle a lot of these like SEO and different marketing etc. into one big folder where you're just monitoring it all. But this is, you know, quite comprehensive. I've got that list for you. Start with this and see if you like it. If you want to sort of expand into a lot more detail like I like, yeah, just hovering over marketing, it sells itself, doesn't it? I mean, seriously, wow, look at that. How many checklists could you make from that? All about marketing. Wow, so much there. Okay, so RSS feeds recommended, the easiest way, the best way by far, by absolute, you know, by distance. This is so much easier. You can even put in YouTube RSS feeds as well here. Okay, and you can monitor. So if you're following Neil Patel, you're following Ahrefs, you're following Backlinko, those three I would recommend you follow them anyway. Definitely do follow them. Put them in here, or put them into your Feedly, and when they have new content coming up, you can see that. Okay, you can see that in here. Perfect. Alright, thanks. I'll see you in the next video.